welcome to the Android Application Development course for beginners. So I'm going to assist you throughout this course. So if you're ready, let's get started right away. All right, so first off, I do want to explain who should be taking this course. This course is an absolute beginner's class, and that means that you don't have to know anything about Android programming, or for that matter, Kotlin programming language. Yeah, so you're going to learn everything about Android development. Even if you don't know how to write code, it's going to be okay. You'll also learn how to write code and programming concepts together. Yeah, so this course is designed to teach you how to think like a programmer, how to write code, and how to build an application and everything. We used to say, or my grandma used to say, from soup to nuts, right? So, if you do happen to know something about coding, you can still take this course because you're going to be able to learn about everything in this Android app development process. For example, if you know C# programming or Java programming, this is going to be great for you because you can use your programming experience to develop really good applications. You can combine what you have known and learned before with what you're going to learn in this course. If you want to be an Android developer, you should take this course because you're going to learn how to become a superb Android developer, how to design an Android application, and how to build a good and in-demand application. Now, you're probably thinking, yeah, okay, what am I going to really learn in this course? First of all, you're going to learn Kotlin programming language. So we will use the Kotlin language to build Android applications throughout. There are two popular programming languages in order to build Android applications. You know what they are? Java programming and Kotlin. All right? So why are we going to use Kotlin? I'll tell you, that's a very good question you ask. See, because Kotlin is a very new and up-to-date programming language. Kotlin is accepted by Google as the official language for Android development. Therefore, it is a language that everyone who wants to be an Android developer ought to know. So in this course, we're going to teach Kotlin programming language from the very beginning concepts right the way through to the advanced level. All the while considering the importance of Kotlin. This is an absolute must-know. If you don't know about Kotlin programming, like I said before, it's okay, because you're going to learn it throughout this course, bit by bit, step by step. You will learn basic information about Kotlin and all of the programming concepts throughout this course. Now, if you know Kotlin programming language from before, you might be able to skip this first part and start the Android application development chapter. But you never know what you're going to pick up. I always like to begin with beginner's mind. So after you learn Kotlin programming language, we'll start to learn Android Studio front to back. Android Studio happens to be the official integrated development environment, or IDE, for Android application development, right? We're going to learn the Android Studio platform and its working system. Then you will learn the Android ecosystem. So Android is an operating system like Windows, but for mobile devices. And its popularity is increasing day by day. It doesn't only use phones anymore either. It uses tablets and smartwatches and smart televisions. With the increasing use of Android operating system, well, the need for new Android applications is increasing as well. The need for new Android applications is going through the roof. So for all these reasons, the need for Android application developers is also increasing. All right, so after recognizing the Android ecosystem, you're going to learn Android components. Now, Android application components are the essential building blocks of an Android application. You'll learn how to build an Android application in these chapters. You will also see every Android component required for building a perfect Android application. You're going to develop 2 Android applications throughout this course. You will learn from scratch how to build an Android application. And also, you're going to publish your app on Google Play. You will learn how to open the Android developer account and how to publish your app. Now, if you do happen to come up with a question that you just can't seem to find the answer for while you're watching this course, well, you can always send us your question from this Q&A section below the course videos. You can also share the sections or codes that you think need to be corrected, maybe updated, and we'll tell you why you're wrong. Nah, I'm just playing. I want to thank you very much for being in touch. But we promise you that we will make the necessary updates as soon as we can. What does that mean? Well, you're always going to have the most up-to-date information and content. So I think you're ready. Why don't we just begin the course? I'll see you throughout.